Hey, welcome back to a new video, welcome back to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. So in this video we are going to do some more testing on the retro 3D Gamebox or Gamebox 3 Goldensky. We're going to test some MAME arcade and let's see how it runs. The loading times can be a little bit long with some games, so just want to point it out. Right, so compared with some other systems that is basically instant boot, this is a second game that takes some time. But if it comes to Mortal Kombat 1, this is a game that is basically the ultimate MAME testing, simply because not a lot of boxes can play this game. And as you can see, as I'm talking, it's still loading. So for example with the Pandora Box 6, it boots instantly. So I don't know what they messed up with this. Right, let's cut the video and let's play.
Homer. Into the heat of battle. Go for it. Hadouken! Hadouken! Tornado! Hadouken! Hadouken!
Alright, so if it comes to the main part of the 3D Gamebox Goldensky, I am pretty surprised. Simply because if you look at the wide range support, I didn't notice extreme screen tearing, and the sound issues that I've noticed before are gone. For example, with Bloodbrass, when you're finishing the stage, with the Pandora Box 6 I didn't hear the sound at all, and I hear them with the Gamebox. So I'm getting this idea also with Sega that the emulation and the sound is way better. So yeah, let me know what you think of this. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, become one of the Wicked family. Hit the little bell because you're getting updates from the masters of YouTube if I'm launching a new video. And it would be great to see you in the next video. Yeah.